Well, where we left off is we had put bed liner on the roof of one of the Skylarks. The roof was extremely rusted out because it had had a vinyl top on it. We put a fiberglass shell over that, then did the prep work on that to smooth it out and put bed liner on it. Real happy with how it turned out. As far as the texturing, I'm good with. The prep work, I got to give myself a pat on the back. I did a pretty good job considering what it started as. Disappointed in the coloring. Is kind of has a little bit of a tiger stripe look to it, and that's attributed to my poor painting skills. Someone in the comments even said that I was the worst painter they had ever seen. So yeah, I'm proud of that, of course. So from here, but I also was informed in the comments several times that this spray can bed liner doesn't have good UV protection, and you really want to get something over the top of it anyway. So still contemplating if I'm going to paint this. A lot of people were mentioning white, and I kind of like that idea, but also had a color scheme already kind of planned out based on black. So I'm going to debate, do I paint it first, then clear coat it, or just clear coat it? While we're contemplating that a little bit, we're going to start working on the other Skylark today. The other one is the first one we're working on, that was the one that was supposed to just be a parts car and was going to get stripped and scrapped. This is the one that we're going to put the real effort into. We already have an engine for it. We have a 454, and we've been ordering parts. It's 60 over. We got a roller cam, got an aluminum, just a Chinese knockoff that's going to go on that with Edelbrock 750. Ordered dome pistons. It should get the compression up to right at 9.5 to 1 with the iron heads. I'm fighting the urge to get AFR heads, since this is going to be the car that that I keep, and it's going to be my primary toy. So I'm really jonesing to get some AFR heads, but it's a lot of money to put into a toy, so I'm debating that still. So we'll see where that goes. But we're going to start stripping this one down today. The engine in this one, it was full of sawdust, that stop leak stuff, that the sawdust-based stuff, and the compression's all jacked up on it, and so we know it's got at least a blown head gasket, maybe worse. And we already had a 454, so I know the Buick purists are gonna hate me for that, but using what I have. You can see you've got a tree in the side of the door handle there. That kind of gives you an idea. These both were last titled or registered in 1990, so that's 35 years that they sat in a field. So, and they look it. So we're going to go ahead and start tearing this one apart. That's about what you'd expect to see for a car that sat for 35 years. We know there's going to be some rust holes under that carpet. We can see them from underneath. But we'll go ahead and strip that out now. We'll get a first-hand look at it from up top. All right, pretty much what we expected to find. It's going to need new front floor pans. The rear ones, a lot of surface rust, but still seem solid. So I think we can just clean those up, hit them with some rust converter to make sure they don't get any worse, and I think we'll be okay there. That's the passenger side. And that's the mess that we pulled out of there. All right, that's about enough for today for me.